It's currently 11:40 right now. We are heading over to Cracker Barrel to have a late breakfast slash lunch, and I'm really excited because Cracker Barrel back in the Midwest should be really good, even though we have Cracker Barrel back in Tucson, but anytime we had it in Tucson, it was so good. So we're gonna grab something to eat right now, and we'll see what the day has in store for us.
It's a nice house though. You just have to like put brand new carpet in it and double check the walls and make sure there's no.
Yeah.
Are we ready to order?
Would I drink it?
Will you taste it?
You need to go sit and
What'd you get, Jacob? Chicken fried chicken?
I got chicken fried chicken, mashed potatoes, hash brown casserole, and mac and cheese.
So we got our magnet from Cracker Barrel. It says Missouri on it. It was $3.99. It was actually a really cute magnet. No Golden Corral, White Castle. What's that princess name from Adventure Time?
Yeah, you tell me that all the time.
Had like, what's her name? Princess Purple or Princess? Not Princess Peach. Do it.
Daddy. Would you like some sausages, Daddy?
I had to, Dad. I'm trying to help them, so don't lump and yell at me!
Anna, show all the YouTube folks your Disney shirt. Where's it from?
I think it's from a store.
Daddy.
I really like it. It's very vintage. It's from Walt Disney World. Was that Emily's shirt when she was little?
Yeah, I think so.
Super
Pick
cute.
up the 4 books.
Evie,
I
oh,
picked
so
out
we
the-
can read books? All right, cool. Let's read
I
books.
picked out 1, 2.
You did?
Ready, Evie?
At least they get the caveman. I
Evie,
got an
are you
orange
gonna hide in the
caveman.
lava where it's safe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I'm running off it.
Here, cheers.
I'm running off it. Okay. Ah. I say,
The pool on.
watch this.
Alright guys, so today's vlog, we kept it pretty short and sweet. Not a whole lot that we did today. Just really hung out and relaxed. It's pretty late as usual. It's a little after midnight. Actually, I think it's later than that. I think it's like 12:30 already. Tomorrow's Monday, so that means that we're heading over to Iowa City. Our trip's coming towards an end. Tuesday we fly out pretty early, so we're actually going to drive over to Iowa City, stay the night there, so that we don't have to drive super early in the morning. So we do have some sightseeing planned in Iowa City, so we're going to definitely share that with you on the vlog. So I want you guys to definitely stay with us and continue watching, and as always, we always thank you for watching our vlogs and following us along these fun adventures that we have. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.